This is for YouTube. I was working on a Camry 2011. Ordered on lights from Amazon, and the turn signal was not working, and running light was not working. Or what I had, it's just this one bulb. So all what you guys need to do that to be working. So look, guys. All what you need to do when you get this lights from Amazon or somewhere, it's made it by, I don't know, this looks like a Chinese or Japanese, not sure. Well, in the beginning the turn signal light will not work, and the running light not gonna work, and the low beams will not work. For low beams you need to get H7 from Walmart. I got it from Walmart, 24 bucks. And this turn signal light and running light, this is turning light, and this is daytime running light. This turn signal. This is turn signal. This is daytime running light. All what you guys need to do is just cut them off, and then just red one to black one, and black one to red one. Same thing on this. Red one, let's say this way. Black one, you connect to the red one, and this red one connect to black one, and that's it. Your daylight, the running light, is going to be working. Yes, Mother Russia.